Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Tosin here again. So today I'm going to be doing a very I don't know if I can call it simple, but I'm going to be focusing more on my lips. I'm going to be showing you guys lipsticks that girls like me with full lips can wear and it's still going to pop. This YouTube video actually came from a discussion I had with one of my friends where she was saying, oh, her lips are very full like naturally, so she just feels very uncomfortable wearing lipstick, not because she doesn't like lipstick, but she just thinks that it doesn't look good on her because her lips are full. Girls, ladies, I'm here to tell you that that is not true. There are so many lipstick styles and colors that you can wear as someone who has full lips and still slay in them. So I'm here, Angel Tosin, to give you these tips and tricks. Notice while you're watching this video that these are just my opinions. They work for me and they've worked for clients that I've worked on over the years. I've had no complaints in that regard. So without much further ado, let us start. Okay, so basically I'm just here to give you gist and play with you until I get to the lipstick part. So what have you guys been doing this corona period? Like, Nigeria is in such a place where we're not back to work fully, but we are kind of back to work already, guys. People are resuming, especially in Lagos. Like, I'm even tired of following the NCDC report. I'm just kind of worried that at the end of the day we're all going to get infected and the vaccine might never come out. WHO recently put out a study saying that the world might just have to live with corona because, like, I don't see anything happening right now. I'm very hopeful though. I pray about it constantly, but whatever it is, you guys should just stay safe. I love you all and thanks for sharing my videos. I'm on 400 followers now, subscribers rather. And the thing is shocking me. I feel like when I get to 1,000 I might actually give testimony in church or something dramatic, but you can never really tell. It depends on my mood. So guys, now let's finally go into the reason why you want this video. Lipstick. Container for lipstick. Red. Okay, I think this is okay. Let me start with this. It's been ages since I wore red lipstick, but calm down. Let me tell you something about red lipstick and full lips. If you have very full lips, and any lipstick really, you have to line. Like lining is more important for you than it is for people who have smaller lips. So because I picked red and then this very nice shade of, it's called a passion red, very lovely shade of lip gloss. Let me show you guys. I hope you can see it. So I am just going to first of all start with my liner. Now I hardly use pencils to line just because I don't know, it doesn't blend the same, so I make use of lipstick instead. So I have this really dark shade. It's called Hot Flame. I think it was from I can't remember the brand actually, but it's like a dark wine kind of. So I'm going to first line my lips and then afterwards I'm going to now put in the red. Okay, so guys, there's one thing I want to tell you. So if you're doing like full red lipsticks like this, one thing you want to do is to conceal the edges of your mouth. Just pick like a shade that is directly, like pick a concealer that is like exactly your concealer shade. Don't pick something lighter and don't pick something darker. And then just do the sides, like smile, and then clean the sides up, and then blend in immediately. So when you're done, I picked a lip gloss. This is a little bit wild, but we're gonna do it. So the lip gloss. So this is what I have. Red lips. So this look I'm calling the body brown. I am basically just going in with a very dark shade to line my lips. I told you initially you have to line to give it definition. So I'm forming like this W thing, basically tracing out your cupid bow, but being a little bit more dramatic with it. It just looks really nice, honestly. You don't have to do it if you don't like it, of course, but I like it and I decided to do it. Now I'm just blending everything in with my brush. If you're using your personal lipstick, you can use your wand, but honestly I think the brush just helps blend it more easily. Now I'm going in with this shade of brown. It's called, I've forgotten the name, honestly guys, I'm sorry, but it's a classic cosmetics lipstick and it's very nice, and it has very similar tones with one of these Kylie lipsticks, so I like it. Then I'm blending it in also. You get the point. Smack smack, we're good to go. So I'm going to call this look the pinkish purple wonder. So let me just confess that I do not really like the combination of pink and purple lipstick, not only because I feel like that style is so 2007. I feel like it doesn't look so good on me, and I don't know, I just feel like the pink is really weird on me. Like, I don't like pink lipsticks. But for this look, I'm trying to show you that it could actually look good. So what I did was first line my lips with it purple and focus like a lot on putting like the dark shade first, and a lot of the dark shade, then I added pink. It was so shocking, it's been a while I used pink. So, and then I just blended, smacked, and then went in with the blending. You need to blend well, sis, and you need to work fast because you're using matte lipsticks and they dry fast, and before you know what is going on, the whole thing is going to be messed up if you don't blend like really fast and well also. So you could make use of your brush, you could use your fingertip to like just tap it in. Yeah, I mean that works a lot for matte lipstick. And yeah, I hope you learned something and I hope you like it. Where are my nude loving ladies at? Come through, yo. Okay, so this is just basically Revo's signature lipstick. Consists of a brown pencil. This is Davies in color 3, by the way. A brown lipstick to be used as liner because I'm extra like that. And my nude lipstick placed at the center of my lip, and then something like a highlighter, liquid highlighter, and then my lip gloss. So here's the gist I want to tell you guys about nude lipsticks. So nude lipsticks like come in shades. You have to find the shade that works for you. This exact shade that I'm using might not work for someone with a deeper skin tone than mine, so you have to keep experimenting, girl, until you find the one that works for you. Trust me, once you find it and then you learn to make use of it, you're going to love it. It's like an everyday look. It's just something very chic, very classy, something that you could even use for classes, your wedding, a friend's wedding, a photo shoot, whatever. Nude lipstick always just comes through, and I love it. So let me just stop talking now, so you guys can focus on the video. I hope you like it. So I named this look the darker side of life, actually. Which is actually weird, but it's a grunge makeup look. It's just dark, very dark, that's all. I didn't want to use black, and I was trying to avoid using something weird like blue or green. I don't know if you guys want to see something like that, let me know. But I used a dark lipstick. There was a time in my life, guys, that I used to just wear dark lipsticks like a lot. Then I discovered nude, I discovered red, and other colors just somehow crept into my life. At this point, yo, if you enjoyed this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and share this video with your friends. So basically I just smacked, and I didn't like the fact that the wine wasn't looking like dark enough, so I added a dark purple lipstick on top of the wine, and that's why I added that lipstick. Yeah, I hope you guys like it. And please, whenever you try out any of my videos, please send me a message on Instagram, your picture. I love to see your recreations. Like, it makes me very happy. I can't even explain it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.